you are. Say about 15 years back, we started with a very humble beginning with some 5 lakh square feet being constructed in the cyber towers. Nobody knew about information technology. Nobody knew about the benefits which information technology can bring. And look at the situation now. We do about 55,000 crores a year in terms of IT from this very area. There's a bit of it coming in from Visakhapatnam as well, about which I also talked to you. We started with some 4-5 lakh square feet. Now currently you have about 500 lakh square feet being occupied, and every year we get about 50 to 60 lakh square feet getting occupied by IT companies. And when I say 3.5 lakh families directly involved in information technology activities, 4 times of that, which is about say 14 lakhs, would be all indirectly involved. I mean, more than 20 lakh families in Andhra Pradesh now, one can safely say, have something to do with information technology related occupation. I mean, it's a huge plus. Let me give you a few facts and figures which will tell you what information technology sector holds for Andhra Pradesh. It's of course the biggest export earner for our state. 40% of the total export earnings that Andhra Pradesh gets comes in from information technology sector. And I think the biggest bane of the information technology industry in our country as such is that despite 15 years of global leadership, I will use the word leadership at least in IT, ITES and PPO. We do almost 40% of the global offshoring work. So despite 15 years of leadership in IT, ITES and PPO related activities, we still do not have a brand, we still do not have a product that emanated from our minds. I mean, I was in South Korea about a year back and I was mighty pleased with the way they have kind of created products. Their LGs, their Samsungs, their Boscos are household names. And they were like us, they were much inferior. In fact, they started their journey in 1960s. They didn't have the kind of human capital that we have currently here. But if you interview the students who are there in these institutions, you will realize that everybody will come back and tell you that I want to become a job seeker the moment I come out of my college. That's the whole attitude. Attitude is to learn. Attitude is to do this rote learning. Attitude is to come out of the college and get into a company, get a good job, get married. And what we are planning to do now is in at least about 25 good quality institutions, we want to set up small little incubation facilities where companies can go and set up their operations. Maybe right now, possibly in the IT, ITES or BPO sector, but eventually that might create an ecosystem which might help companies come up in future. So friend, there are a whole range of things. In this 10 minutes, it will be difficult for me to kind of list out the entire range that is there. Only thing I can tell you on behalf of the government, on behalf of the Chief Minister and our Minister, that we in the state are there to support you. We in the state are there with the realization that the next generation, the next 10 years would belong to people like you.